Lesson number 1, and this is a huge one, that's why I have it first, so pay attention. Scalping is key. Now, a lot of people don't like to scalp, people like to day trade, they like to swing trade. Of course, you can do these things and you can be successful, you can be profitable. Of course, it's not like you're limited to just scalping. But let me tell you guys something. Scalping is key for growing small accounts fast. If you want to grow a small account, swing trading is not going to get you there very fast. Think about it. You're taking 1 or 2 trades a month, maybe 1 trade a week, whatever the case may be, 2 trades a week at the most, that are going to take weeks to even profit from. So as that small account's growing, you're literally doing nothing. You're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting. Of course, you can add positions and do this and that. Trust me when I tell you, this is the slowest way to grow a small Forex account. Now, when it comes to scalping, the way I scalp, and if you guys want to know how I trade and all that good stuff, you guys can always download my free Clarity Forex app, or you guys can just look at all my YouTube videos. It's all free. I have so much content for free that teaches you how I scalp. But anyways, scalping opposed to swing trading is going to allow you guys to take multiple trades throughout one day, gaining lots of profits on the account over and over and over again. And I know you're saying, oh,
swing trading, you can do the same, you can just risk more, but
if you're growing a small Forex account, you can't risk more because it's a small Forex account. If you have a $100 Forex account, you don't get to just, let me just put 2 standard lots on this swing trade and I'll hold it for 2 weeks. You can't do that. You can put a 0.10 on it, but you can also put a 0.10 on a scalp and do 5 of those in one day. So like I said, you can swing trade, you can day trade, but if you want to grow a small account fast, scalping is the way to go. I could teach you how to scalp. Go through my YouTube channel, get the Clarity Forex app for free. It's all there for free. I don't want no money from you guys. Lesson/rule number 2, a broker does matter. I'm gonna say it again, it does matter. All brokers are different. I've just messed around with so many brokers in my trading career, but I have officially found the best trading Forex broker ever, like literally ever, for small accounts, big accounts, no matter what account size you have, they have what you need. Now, if you guys are interested in following this broker, using this broker, all that good stuff, go down below, click the link in my description, it'll be at the very top, and get started with the best trading broker I've ever seen. When I tell you guys that these spreads are so raw, there's no spread, like it's pretty much zero, it's as close as you can get to 0 spreads. Get in a buy on gold, you're gonna enter exactly where you enter. There's no fucking entering here or entering, all that bullshit you see from other brokers. You're not gonna get that with this one, so it's very important, especially for scalping. You don't want spreads, trust me, you do not want any spreads when scalping or growing a small account. You can't afford it. Rule number 3, lesson number 3 is do not overtrade. Have yourself a limit, set that limit and stick to that limit, whether it's 3 trades in one day or 5 trades in one day, whatever your limit is. If you're really successful and you're winning 3 out of 5 trades with like a 1-to-4 ratio, well then only 5 trades per day. My personal rule is 3 trades per day. The reason for this is I will have days where I'll take a loss, right? Be a 10 pip loss, and then boom, markets are still going the way I knew they were gonna go, but I got stopped out. I need to re-enter this trade. I'm gonna re-enter this trade, have major gains on the trade, and then end up, having a successful night. Even though I took 1 loss, I need to take another one to get that overall win for the night. This is why I'm able to take 3 trades per day, but if I take 3 trades and they all lose, I have to stop. I have to end the night there, okay? My average wins are 50 pips, my average loss is 10 pips. So after 10 or 3 losses, I should say, that's 30 pips right there. I wanna stop. I don't wanna continue. I don't wanna damage myself anymore, damage the account anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay low and wait till the next day to trade again. Now this one's pretty important, guys. You're gonna wanna stick to one strategy and one plan. Do not go around looking at all these different strategies, all these different moving averages and all this crazy shit. Is gonna confuse you and it's gonna make your life a lot harder when trading because you're gonna see different strategies, going against each other. This one says buy, but then this strategy on the hourly says sell. I wouldn't do it. I do not recommend it. I personally trade the higher time frames for overall confluence, which way are we moving? And then I'm gonna go down to my 5-minute charts to see, okay, let's get an entry. That's all I do. I have a very simple breakout strategy. Again, it's on YouTube. Free Clarity Forex app. You guys can go see that. It's all for free. And I'm teaching you guys pretty much how I trade. Do not switch your plan up, switch your strategy up. Find one good strategy, one plan, and when I say plan, I mean 3 trades per day is my max, right? That's my plan. My plan is when the breakout happens, I'm gonna get in here. That's my plan. I'm gonna stick to that for the entire year, for the rest of my life. That yes, you are gonna take losses, but your wins are gonna eat those losses up crazily. Stop mixing stuff up because it's gonna affect you long term. Now, rule number 5. This is a very important one. Stick to only 3 pairs or less. Stop looking at every single pair going down, boop, 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 boop. You're killing yourself, literally. Focus on a few pairs. I focus on 3. Number 1, during Tokyo session, I'm trading CAD JPY. London session, I'm trading GBP JPY. And during New York session, I am trading NAS 100. That's all. I'm focused on those pairs during those time zones, and that's it. I'm not looking at NAS 100 at night. I'm looking at it during New York session, which is 5 a.m. for me. I'm not looking at CAD JPY during London session. I'm looking at it during Tokyo session at 3 p.m. for me. And it's the same stuff every single day. I focus on the same pairs. I really just pay attention to those pairs during those moving hours, and that's it. That's why I'm so successful, is because I focus on those pairs, I master those pairs, and I stick to it, and I stay true to myself. I stick to my plan. That's what you guys need to start doing. You guys will then be able to grow small Forex accounts, and it's gonna be very easy. You guys are gonna see after a while, like, wow, this is easy. I should have been listening to Mamba and doing this shit that he said, because wow, I'm actually making money. It's that easy. Rule number 6, very important. Please take breaks. You need to take breaks from live trading in general. Thinking about trading, like, you have to take breaks. Like, give yourself time to breathe. You're going at it 24/7, going crazy, sprinting. Let's say, you know, an example, like an athlete. You're just sprinting. Are you actually gonna get better? I mean, not really. You're gonna kill yourself before you get better. Before you get better, you're gonna be dead, right? You can't get better if you're dead. It's the same thing in trading. You cannot mentally kill yourself by just going and going. Take a break, relax. It's okay to take a few losses. If the losses start to pile up, don't keep fighting the markets and going crazy and trying to get those wins. That's where a lot of traders go wrong. But relax, sit back, take a break, view the markets on demo, view the markets on trading, view back test, relax, and when your mind is ready and you feel calm and collected, you're ready to get back in there, then you can trade again. But until then, you need to relax, you need to chill, and you need to just take it easy. People do not like that. People don't like to take it easy, they like to go crazy. So just take a break, go easy. It's gonna be all right. You gotta just take breaks sometimes. Now, those are my 6 main rules / lessons that I have learned over the years while losing and winning. These are the rules that I stick to every single day, which has made me an absolute god at trading, gave me a shit ton of money, one of the best in the game. And yeah, I just put in the work, I put in the hours, but I also stuck to these plans, figured these plans out, figured these rules out, I should say. And I started to implement them, and it worked. You guys can do the same thing. Take it from me. I'm trying to teach you guys. I'm trying to help you guys out.